Hello and welcome to the unboxing video for the Siemens KNX Touch Control TC5 all-in-one room unit. Just recently, Siemens launched a new version of this sophisticated looking device, which covers all your needs when it comes to control lighting, shading and HVAC in the room. This makes it the one and only KNX controller you will ever need, because it's not only offering an extensive range of features and functions, it now comes also in two different colors, black and white. So let's dive right into the box. When you open the box, you will find the beautiful device itself, black or white depending on your color selection. You will also find the not so exciting stuff like a mounting plate, as well as screws for the US and Chinese wall boxes, and last but not least, the mounting instructions. So let's focus a little bit more on this extraordinary device, shall we? It is a 5-inch touch panel, which makes room control really a snap. The high-quality glass surface not only looks sleek, but it's also very easy to clean. And as you can see, we also have an aluminum frame with a little subtle Siemens logo on the side and an eye-catching brushed finish at the bottom, which makes it a perfect fit for any room situation. Most room devices are really thick in size, you say? Well, not the TC5. With only 11.5 millimeters, it really meets the aesthetic of modern room devices. Another really nice feature is the proximity sensor that is built into the frame down here, and it turns on the device when you get closer to it with your hand. To make the device even smarter, it has an integrated temperature sensor, and it of course can display gathered data by external sensors like air quality measurement, relative humidity and energy consumption. Let's check out how the device is installed. Basically, it's very simple. Just take the mounting plate, fix it to the wall, insert the device and push the device a little bit up to make sure that everything is fixed and stable. So really no special equipment needed. It's just the device and the mounting plate. Easy as that. And for the standard European market, you can use the normal installation boxes, and except for European installation boxes, this device fits all global standards like British, US, Australian or Swiss standards. When it comes to installation, you can choose if you like to mount the device vertically or horizontally in your room, whatever fits best. So upgrade your room with the new Touch Control TC5 to make your room smart.